Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this type of bangs. In case you're interested, then please stay tuned and let's get started. Okay guys, I hope this video is going to be quick and easy, but I guess in an hour I'm just going to tell you that let's go to a salon and change the whole thing. I'm going to brush my hair. I have wet hair. Now we have to understand where the bangs are going to be. So you would need like approximately 5 centimeters. If it's still the problem, then you have a ruler. It's going to be somewhere here. So we're going to start from here and create a middle part. It's approximately like probably, I'm not really sure, 2 inches. And you know what? I'm going to just take some of this hair so they're not getting into my face. We've divided this into 2 different sections. And then from the highest point of my brow, I'm going to create the line. So over here. Like that. And we're going to repeat the same thing for my left section. So I'm going to grab the highest point and then go straight to my middle part. And then we're just going to divide it one more time in the middle. Now we have 2 sections. If you need to grab a little bit more, you can always do that a little bit later. For now, we have to measure where my section is going to start. So I'm going to grab from both sides a little bit of this hair, and I want to create it like a little bit lower than my nose, just where my lip starts. And then I'm just going to cut that with my scissors. Maybe a little bit smaller section. I guess it's going to be better with a smaller section. Okay, so the first lock of hair. Now this is a guideline. We're going to grab the lock of hair, and then I am going to brush that side one more time. And then go to the side like that. Okay, so the first one is ready. And now we're going to grab the longest part of my hair and then grab the furthest part from the other side. And then we're just going to measure them like that and trim in this section. Maybe a little bit smaller. Let's do it a little bit smaller. And then I am going to grab from that side, and then we're just going to try to see where this whole thing ends here. So this is it. And now what we're going to do next is we have the smallest part and the longest part, and now we have to connect the dots. And now we're going to connect both dots. The bangs are ready. Divide on the sides like these 2 sections. I don't want to do anything crazy, honestly. Out in the ponytail. I need to wet my hair. I'm gonna divide one more time. That is my section 1. Okay, we can see that the longest part was somewhere here. I'm gonna prolong it a little bit further and probably stop somewhere here. Yes, this is it. Grab the longest part from my bang, and then I am gonna try to see where I need a little more trimming. I guess somewhere here. Okay, so I'm gonna grab and cut that. Okay, here is more or less even. And from that side, to do a little bit more trimming. Something like that, guys. I don't want to do anything crazy. It's just to create the shape a little bit more. Nice. I want to grab the longest part from that side as well, and then I'm gonna connect these dots and then cut that. Okay, so now from both sides it's more or less even, and now the rest has to be done the same way. We're gonna connect both dots, like the shortest one that is here and the longest one that is here. Okay, these are fine. Don't want to do anything crazy, just like small part. And of course I'm gonna wear this on the side. Then we shall see how we can blend this in together. Where this is coming from. Now I'm gonna go and style, and then we are gonna see the final result. But so far it's looking really pretty. So yeah, it's looking really nice. Look at this. Okay guys, this is the final result, and I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep the middle part. Probably I'm just gonna pick the side left or right. So these are my bangs. I feel like it's pretty much successful. It's looking really pretty and really good. So if you wear like middle part, then probably this is the best way for you to do your bangs. It's lined really pretty on the sides, and I guess that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to add. This is how it looks with my hair on the sides. Probably I'm gonna just switch to the left side or right side. Okay, let me know in the comments what do you think. Is it easy for you guys? I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye bye.